This presentation will focus on the area of curriculum and instruction. In line with the university's vision and mission, NEUST offers various programs that helps to sustain the needs of the nation in terms of competent professionals in different fields and specialties. The university thrives to maintain ISO 9001:2015 accreditation that upholds high standard of quality management on its procedural operations and academic services to all of its stakeholders. At present, the university belongs to the top 44 of the top universities in the Philippines 2020 according to the Philippine University Ranking. A well-crafted curriculum serves as a reference to ensure that the university's program is on the right track. Its components are designed to develop concepts from a basic level to increasingly complex topics or skills. The College of Management and Business Technology is a Level 3 Phase 1 accredited program of NEUST offering Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management and Hotel and Restaurant Management under the new and old curriculum. It is designed to provide the students with an education which can equip them with the basic knowledge and skills in the hospitality industry. In response to the growing industry needs of the hospitality industry, the Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, now Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management program, has been conceptualized. It is a 4-year degree that has a total of 152 units, which provides students with specialized knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values in hospitality management. This curriculum prepares the student for supervisory and managerial positions in industries in which one is required to finish the first 3-year and 1/2 course before they are allowed to enroll in an on-the-job training course for the second semester respectively. To continually develop and upgrade the program to keep up with the needs for rapid hospitality growth and trends, the NEUST BS Hospitality Management, as per the recommendation of the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities during their last survey visit, reviewed and repositioned the existing curriculum based on the CHED CMO number 62 series of 2017 and revised it to have an enhanced curriculum that will meet the objectives of the BS-HM program and align that to the VMGO of the institution. Inclusion of the following courses were made to strengthen the program in the field of food and beverage operations as response to the primary needs of the province as food industry rapidly grows in this region. Culinary Fundamentals as a foundation course to kitchen essentials and basic food preparation. Inclusion of skills courses that will be the niche of NEUST Hospitality Management graduates are as follows: F&B or Food and Beverage Cost Control and Catering Management. The Hospitality and Tourism Management Department have done all the efforts to comply with all the recommendations of the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities and come up with the following set of curriculum. CHED Regional Office 3 received the revised program last November 3, 2020, and this will be implemented on the succeeding academic year. Adequate and relevant projects and activities to achieve the objectives. To achieve the objectives of the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management program, the following projects and activities were implemented. Conduct of regular classes. Classes are conducted regularly to meet the required time for courses in each semester. Schedule of classes are prepared by the registrar in accordance with the academic calendar after consulting with deans and directors and is approved by the president of the university. Orientation program. Student orientation is conducted annually to new and returning students. The orientation covers the introduction of key university officials, faculty, and staff of the college, discussion of the vision, mission, and quality policy of the university, rules and regulations concerning student discipline, activities for the whole semester, plan of seminars, training and workshops of the students per semester, and other things they need to know to be successfully acquainted with the technical aspects of the school. During this academic year, because of the pandemic, the university, through the department, included digital learning experience as part of the program. This gives information about the different learning modalities that the department will adopt. Curriculum enhancement. The Hospitality Management Program conducted consultative meetings for curriculum enhancement based on the CHED Memo 62 series of 2017, attended by different stakeholders from different sectors. Development of instructional materials. The development and production of instructional materials among the faculty in the college are highly encouraged. These instructional materials are submitted to the NEUST Academic Standard Committee through the chairperson for review, recommendation, and approval for utilization. Enhancement of teaching methods and strategies. To achieve the learning outcomes indicated in the course syllabi, the faculty select and apply appropriate teaching strategies that meet diverse needs of the students. Various methods of teaching are employed to help stimulate the development of students' analytical and critical thinking skills. Learning enrichment. Shown here are some examples of seminars and trainings. Field trips and industrial tour, and simulation activities with students and faculty members. Student performance evaluation. Evaluations are an integral component of instruction and shall be administered by the teacher subject to university policies. The academic performance of students shall be evaluated and graded at the end of the term in accordance with the prescribed grading system. The following are some examples of how student performance evaluation is gathered. Teacher-made test, term tests, exercise, homeworks, and seat works, research work, and performance assessment. On-the-job training. Choosing a company that can accommodate students for their OJT has never been difficult, as the university constantly receives the unwavering support of its external linkages. The university has Memoranda of Agreement and Memorandum of Understanding with the different companies and organizations. The students of NEUST are fortunate enough that they are able to grab the opportunity to have their OJTs at reputable companies willing to accommodate students and help them to prepare for their future career as professionals. Systematic and effective procedure. Class attendance policy. Class attendance is required of all students in the Hospitality Management Program. Curriculum policies. The program's legal basis for the procedural guidelines in the revision and offering of new programs are set by CHED guidelines, the NEUST Charter, and the NEUST Code. Hospitality Management, as approved by the NEUST Board of Regents, Board Resolution Number 51, Series of 2018. Hotel and Restaurant Management, as approved by the NEUST Board of Regents, Board Resolution number 128B, Series of 2007. Faculty Performance Evaluation. In order to standardize and streamline the annual faculty evaluation process, the college has developed a faculty reporting and evaluation system. Teaching effectiveness is evaluated by the supervisor, students, peer, and self. This is done through the performance evaluation system. Faculty speakership. Faculty members continuously share their expertise not only to the university but also to the community. They have engaged in speakership in local and international setting. Some of them, together with the dean, participated in the recent See Teacher Tibet lecture series of CMEO conducted last August 27, 2020. Faculty researches. Faculty researches are being published in an international forum. Some of the published researches have citations, and some are used by the university and other stakeholders as reference and guide in their respective offices. Grading system. Grading system is an exercise in professional judgment on the part of the faculty. It involves the collection and evaluation of evidences on students' achievement or performance over a specified period of time. Supervisory program. In order to enhance the faculty professional growth and competencies that will contribute to the efficient and effective delivery of instruction, the Dean of the College usually prepares an annual development plan. Recommendations to instructors to attend seminar and workshop in short-term courses on different skill competency and area, entrepreneurship, safety awareness program, and project feasibility studies. Conduct of ocular visit to prospective industries for possible instructors training program. Recommendations and coordination with industries for possible instructors training. Recommendations of deserving faculty members to scholarship grants. Provision of leadership in professional upgrading through the conduct of researches, community, and extension services. Reasonable budget. Budget allocation. The NEUST budgetary allocation for the last 3 years provides the blueprint of the university in the next 3 years, rationalizing and anchored on the vision of being a locally responsive and internationally relevant and recognized university of science and technology. Fund releases. The following are given appropriate budget by the college. Registration fees and travel expenses of faculty and personnel attending seminars, conferences, and trainings. Local scholarship for faculty members to pursue graduate degree program, and also for their supplies and materials, laboratory equipments and facilities, salaries, amongst others. Income-generating projects. Aside from the budget allocations provided by the national government, the university utilizes its vast resources in 4 campuses in order to come up with the income-generating projects that will further sustain its operations. Faculty profile. CHED's call for vertical articulation also prompted the university to ensure alignment of courses obtained or being taken by the instructors. Through the unwavering efforts of the university to raise awareness of the teaching force on the importance of pursuing advanced studies, the number of instructors taking their master's or doctorate degree continued to escalate every year. Physical facilities. NEUST aligns itself with the government thrust in the rural development, specifically concerning itself with the need for training highly skilled manpower in the hospitality industry. NEUST serves as an educational center, offering vast opportunities for the fulfillment of the people's intellectual and economic aspiration through its democratized educational policy. Instructional materials. In the pursuit of the university vision of academic excellence, the need for challenging standards and aligned assessment and accountability system in the design, use, and adoption of textbooks and instructional materials is of primary importance. Library services. The university has a library that houses a vast collection of learning and reference materials for students and faculty members. Student services. The Office of the Student Affairs recognized that the student welfare is the center of all educational endeavors. It upholds the dignity of every student. Hence, it shall direct all of its efforts and resources to design activities and provide services for the development of well-rounded, responsible, and productive individuals and students. Different student welfare programs and services will be provided for the students, along with services for student discipline. Participation of BS-HRM, faculty, staff, students, and community in major projects and activities. Curriculum development. NEUST strives to comply with the policies of CHED so that its curricular programs would turn out to be responsive and relevant for national development. Researches. The development of the university in creating a lush research environment within and beyond the walls of the university never falters but continues to escalate as it continues to attain the goals to provide solutions to the challenges and problems that affects the community. Extension and community involvement. Committed to fulfilling its official responsibilities to the community, the Extension Services Office has done much in fostering developments in different towns of the province of Nueva Ecija. Projects and activities. The increasing population in the university and its reputation as one of the premier SUCs in the region must be attended through provision of sufficient facilities and new infrastructures. Thus, the university shell out and support different infrastructure projects and other activities. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Due to fervent desire to further utilize the capabilities of both instructors and students, they continuously venture into co- and extracurricular activities that aims to have an impact to the community. Linkages. For further development of the student clienteles under the BS-HM program, the college pursues linkage with various agencies locally and abroad for training of its students in the industry. At present, the program is now gearing towards international practicum for its competitiveness of its future student graduates. International on-the-job training students abroad. Here are some examples of the program participating with international OJT students. International inbound and outbound participants of the third batch student exchange program, which ran through from February to March 2019. Inbound and outbound participants of the fourth batch student exchange program, which transpired from August to October 2019. The university and the department will continue to give quality education to the students. It will continue its dedication in keeping the curriculum relevant and updated, and continuously empower its members in being more effective and efficient in their instructions and services.